Hello guys, I am Chandakarnakaran. I am a music producer. Welcome back to my channel. So this video will be a part of series where I'll be reviewing FLKeys. This keyboard is designed by Novation and they have two versions, FLKey 37 and FLKey Mini. So this product is specifically designed to be integrated with FlStudio. So before getting inside the video, I want you guys to know that this video is being supported by Pro Musicals and they were kind enough to send me FLKeys 37 in order to review. With that being said, all the views that I express in this video are my own. I've been using this keyboard for a week now, so I'll be sharing my experiences with you. Without any delay, let's get inside the video. Here you can see the FlStudio logo as well as Novation logo. This is how it looks from the front and from the back. Inside the box, we get a USB Type A to B cable. We also have safety instructions. The keyboard is really well built and is sturdy, but for me the pads are the standout. They provide an incredible feel while playing with it, and yes, they are velocity sensitive. Apart from that, you do have a lot of buttons and knobs. On the first impression, I do really believe I'll enjoy working with this keyboard. Once you get your keyboard, you can start by updating your keyboard's firmware. Download the Novation component software from Novation site, and once installed, select the keyboard and check under the Updates tab. Make sure to also install the latest version of FlStudio. Once both the firmware as well as FlStudio is updated, open the MIDI settings by going inside Options MIDI Settings. Under MIDI tab, ensure that both the FLKey DAW and FLKey MIDI outs and ins are set properly. Usually this process is automatic, but in some cases if it's not working, you can also do this manually. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did find this information useful, definitely subscribe to my channel. More such videos are on the way. So like this video, share it with your friends, and definitely drop a comment. For now, bye.